Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a subscription on the Snapchat. So if you want to convert your personal account to the public account, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to log into your account. Once you will do it, now you have to go to the chats, and on the left top you will see a profile icon, so you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, first of all you have to click on the settings on the right top. So once you will click on it, now scroll up and here you will see different options in the hook-in section, like contact me, make it everyone by tapping on it, send me notification, make it everyone, and view my story, it's custom, you have to convert it to everyone, and then see me in quick ad, you have to click on it. Once you will do it, you will see my public profile option right here, so you have to click on it, and once you will click on it, you will see this type of the profile, so you have to set up your profile, and after that people will subscribe you on the Snapchat. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.